Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You are all warmly welcome. Thanks for stopping by. Today on our menu we have Gari Jollof or Gari fortor. Come on in. Let's get to the kitchen and get started. It's so simple and easy to make. Yes. So with this recipe, you make your sauce. And guys, this sauce is already on my channel, so I'll leave the link in the description box below. Check that out. You're going to love it. So this sauce is amazing. The things that I put together to make this sauce, guys, you will love it. Definitely check it out. So the link will be down below. Yeah, so the next day I'm going to use it for Gari Jollof. And guys, you need to see how I made it. So don't go anywhere. Keep watching till the end. All I'm doing is I'm just transferring some of the stew in a new saucepan. And after that, I'll add some bell peppers, the yellow, the green, and the red bell peppers, guys. Because I want these ingredients that I'm going to put in to bring some more flavors, guys. We all know what bell peppers can do to our stews, and that's what I'm looking for. I'm trying to get flavors for my Gari Jollof. So yeah, whilst I've put the bell peppers in the stew, we're going to leave it on the cooker for like 2 to 3 minutes for it to release its flavors in the stew again. So while it's on the cooker, let's prepare our gari. I'm adding some little bit of water to the gari. I'm not adding too much water because I don't want it to be too combined. So I've added some water and now we are adding our stew and also we are going to combine it. Let's mix it so well and gently and get our Gari Jollof nicely made. Yes, so we've combined our Gari Jollof and now I love to eat my Gari Jollof or Gari fortor with ripe fried plantain. So it's also ready. And guys, that's all there is to it. It's so quick and it's so easy. But I love me some more veggies. So guys, I'm adding cucumber, shallot, and some lettuce. Guys, can't you see this is going to be so nutritious and so healthy with all these veggies, guys? I love me these veggies. You can as well use any veggies of your choice. So far, I am happy with the veggies I've used because the aroma, the taste, guys, is to the next level. It's time for tasting. It's time to serve myself, guys, and you are all warmly invited. But since you cannot come to my home, I'm going to do the tasting for all of you guys, and I hope you like it. Yes? Thank you for watching till this end, and I hope you are inspired. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel for more appetizing recipes. Yes, this Gari Jollof is nutritious. It's so appetizing, it's so welcoming, and the taste, the aroma is also to the highest point. I'm impressed, and I hope you are too. Join this family if you haven't already, and let's make this channel beautiful one together. See you all again in my next video. Thanks for stopping by. See you soon. Bye bye.